Welcome to my channel, Chuckles. Have you ever wondered why there are no secrets in a cheese factory? Well, that's because it's hard to keep things under wraps when everything is so Gouda. Welcome, dear friends, to a world where the moon is made of cheese and the mice are the happiest creatures alive. Today, we're diving into the delicious, delectable, and decidedly delightful universe of cheesemaking. And no, it's not just about letting milk rot and calling it a delicacy. There's an art to it, a beautiful ballet of bacteria and enzymes that creates the symphony of flavors we call cheese. Cheesemaking is a tradition that stretches back to ancient times. Legend has it, an Arabian merchant discovered cheese by storing milk in a pouch made from a sheep's stomach. Talk about an accidental genius, right? So, how does this magic happen? Well, it all starts with milk, the canvas on which the cheese artist works. The milk gets heated, then along come our stars, the rennet, a set of enzymes and bacteria. These little guys are the unseen heroes, turning the liquid milk into solid curds. It's like watching a magic show, but instead of a rabbit out of a hat, you get cheese. But don't think it ends there. Oh no, the curds then get cut, cooked, and drained. Each step, each process adds to the flavor, texture, and character of the cheese. It's like a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble, unveiling the masterpiece within. Now, if you're thinking this sounds too complicated, just remember, cheese was discovered by accident. So don't be afraid to get your hands a little cheesy and try making your own at home. It's a journey, an adventure. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself and create your very own Wheel of Fortune. Remember, friends, the world of cheese is as vast and varied as the stars in the sky. From the sharp tang of cheddar to the creamy dreaminess of brie, there's a cheese for every palate, every mood. So why not dive in and explore? Get to know the Goudas from the Gorgonzolas, the Parmesans from the Provolones. It's a cheesy world out there, and it's waiting for you. As they say in the cheese world, sweet dreams are made of cheese. Who am I to disagree? So go ahead, take that leap and immerse yourself in the wonderful world of cheesemaking. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. A delicious, delicious lifestyle. And that's all the time we have for today, folks. Keep your curds close and your cheeses closer. Until next time, stay cheesy.